How to fix Telegram limit exceeded, please try again later on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can fix Telegram limit exceeded, please try again later on iPhone when you're trying to log in. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you get this type of error when you've been trying to log into the same account over and over again, and maybe you're entering an incorrect phone number, maybe you're entering an incorrect code, or maybe you're trying to send the code too many times. The very first thing I want you to do is if the Telegram app is open first, just go ahead and close it and do not try it first. Now open up the settings application, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage. Then you have to simply look for the app called Telegram on this list. Once you find Telegram and tap on it, then just tap on Offload App button, tap on the Offload button over here. Then once you tap on Offload, then just tap on the Reinstall App button. So basically now once you've reinstalled the application, what you want to do is you want to simply open up your app store. In the search box, just type in Telegram. So once you type in Telegram over here, just check for the update on the Telegram app. If it has an update, make sure to update it to the latest version. Now, if you have been getting the Telegram limit exceeded, now this also happens because Telegram has limited your IP address, and one of the quickest ways to actually fix it is by simply changing your IP address. Now you can change the IP address by connecting it to a VPN. So if you want to download a VPN application, you can download any of the VPN application, connect it to any server, maybe United States or whatever else you prefer. Once you connect to a VPN, you should be able to log into your account. The other is, if you're not comfortable with using a VPN, you can actually try to simply switch your network. So if you're using Wi-Fi, simply try to switch to cellular data, because switching to cellular data will also help you switch your IP address, and as a result you should be able to log into your account. Now other thing could be that make sure you're receiving messages. Those are just a general issues. Try to message yourself from your friend's account or your friend's number, see if you're receiving messages and that you're getting the verification code, and then also make sure that all of your information of your number is actually correct. If it's correct, then this time you should be able to log in. If not, I would just recommend you to wait a couple of hours before you try to log into your account again. So I hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.